Hello guys, welcome back to Everything You Want to Know. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can restore your hazy yellow headlight to light new headlights. So today I got the Armor Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration Wipes, and this kit requires no tools or sandpaper. So there's directions on the back and they're pretty much easy. So it comes with 4 cleaning oxidation removal wipes and 2 UV sealant protection wipes. So let's look at the before and now the after. So first of all, clean your headlights with a microfiber cloth. So after cleaning the headlight, guys, let's open one of our cleaning oxidation wipes. So in there you'll find one oxidation wipe, and for best results, try to keep the wipe closed rather than opening it. And when rubbing on the headlight, try to rub in a horizontal pattern. So you'll find oxidation on the wipes. So if you just see that, just flip over the wipe and start wiping again. So after you're done with the first wipe, take out a new wipe and repeat the process once again. So after applying both the oxidation wipes, clean your headlight with a clean microfiber cloth. And make sure your headlight is completely dry before applying the UV protection wipe. So let's look at this clean side versus this unclean side. As you can see, there's like all of that oxidation on that headlight. We have now cleaned the other headlight. So now let's see how both of the headlights look all together. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to share it with your friends who have oxidized headlights. Peace out.